Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to get into Cardano NFTs. But before we get into that, I just want to let you know that Cardano NFTs aren't as Ethereum NFTs yet, alright? Of course, there is a risk on Ethereum NFTs, but on Cardano, you can say it's double because it's still not optimized yet regarding the marketplace. It's not about the art itself or something like that, or about the ecosystem of Cardano, but it's all about these websites like the marketplace. They haven't optimized yet to have this kind of flow like OpenSea, that you get to see a lot of options that gives you the advantage to buy some NFTs and resell them. As a person who wants to start flipping NFTs, there is a disadvantage on these marketplaces, but with time I think they will optimize their website and the marketplace, and they will provide a lot of informations and options to give you an idea about an NFT before getting into it, alright? But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't get into Cardano NFTs. There are some cool projects that are sold for 10 ADA, and now the floor price is 500 and 1000 ADA, alright? There is still this opportunities on Cardano, but it's not the same as getting into OpenSea and you get to do all those options to show you which is low or that type of stuff to get and snipe some deals and then resell them. Okay, in here on Cardano or on Solana, you just need to be aware of new projects and keep scrolling Twitter and see if there is a new project that is worth getting into. So let's get started. Go into CNFT.io. This is the marketplace that is known for Cardano. Let's go to the marketplace and show you some things. So the thing that you need to be aware of is go into the filter and you need to check this verified policy. You will find a lot of fakes in here if you don't have this one on, okay? And to just be extra sure, when you get into any NFT on here, you can see their policy ID and compare it to the project's policy ID if you are scared that someone will scam you or sell you a fake one, okay? So the most known ones is this Crypto Dino, and there is Clay Nation, and there are a lot of others, okay? But I'm just looking now for Clay Nation just to show you. Let's give an example with Crypto Dino. So this is what I mean by this marketplace is lacking a lot of options. Like you don't have the option to get to see the collection page and see all the other NFTs on this collection or the owner, and you can see it's verified. And if this is the policy that I mentioned earlier, if you want to compare it, you go to the project and they will be posting their policy ID if you want to compare it with the one that you are buying, if you're just being extra cautious. All right, so there isn't a lot of things, like you don't know if this project is going higher or lower in popularity, or it's selling lower or higher, so it lacks a lot. So then this website is adahub.io. if you want to get into more other projects, NFT projects, just go to here, show all NFTs. So it's adahub.io/NFTs, and you get to see all the NFT projects. So as I always mention, you need to go to their Twitter and Discord to check their community. If there is a community around the NFT project, there is engagement on Twitter and their social media. If they are supporting the NFT and giving scarcity and it's decentralized. So these projects here, there are already launched, okay? So, and some of them are still maintained. For example, Stick Freaks are still maintained if you want to go to their website and mint your own and then sell it on any marketplace like CNFT. So this is it on here. Then there is this tool which is helpful to give you an idea about the market. As you can see, in the last 24 hours 1 million ADA has been spent on this much of NFTs. So that means there is a lot of demand, but the market is still a bit not optimized for people to start flipping for real, okay? So you get to see this volume here if it's going down or up, but as always, this doesn't mean it's going down. As you can see here, if we went to month, it might be something like this, that you see it's going down, but at the end it's going up again. It might be go to here and it goes up again, but who knows, it might just go lower. But I don't think so, because you know, NFTs, people are just discovering Cardano NFTs and they are getting into, and they have some good art. So you can go to here and get more informations like top projects, for example, and you get to see all these here. So a week ago it was Space Buds, they were the first, ranking first. Now Climates, I think they are just started like a week ago, and now they are here because they have some good art. Okay, if you go into this one here, easy, you have a lot of profits with them. So you can click on any of these if you want. Let's go to Claymates, and you get to see this curve here. It's same as the one that we have on OpenSea. You get to see on here, at least you get to see if it's going down or up, and as well as the sales. So the last one sold for $9.90. So these are some good tools that will help you if you want to get into Cardano NFTs. By the way, the website is cnftanalytics.io. all right, so this last one here is just if you want to mint your NFT, because anyone can mint their NFT, of course. If you have any art or you just want to try it, okay, go to nft-maker.io and go to mint NFT and upload your design or any file that you want to, and just go through the process and you will mint it. Then you can list it on CNFT and sell it. All right, so this is how you can get into Cardano NFTs, and I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.